guys, welcome to my channel. For anybody who's returning, thank you so much for coming back, and for anybody who's new, hi, I'm Izzy. Now today's video, I'm just going to bring my goodies and pop them onto my lap. Today's video I wanted to bring to you sustainable beauty swaps. So for 2021 I want to try to be a lot less wasteful, and I want to try and do what I can to be better to the environment. Now, I'm not claiming to be an expert on this in any way, shape or form. I know there's a million and one things that I could be doing, but I'm gradually trying to get better and more sustainable, less wasteful with my beauty products, because I feel like that's a big area where I can make some quite simple swaps. Now I'm only going to show you what I've swapped so far. I felt like I didn't want to go and buy a whole load of stuff when they don't need replacing as of yet. So I've only replaced the things that I have needed to replace. But we're just going to get straight into it, guys. So as time progresses, I'll probably do some more videos of other things that I've swapped out. But for now, these are my current beauty swaps for 2021 so far. Bearing in mind we are only at the beginning of 2021, so loads more room for improvement. But for now, guys, here we go. So the first one, and this was a swap out that I did quite some time ago, is reusable cotton pads. These ones I got from Amazon. I think they were probably about 12 quid. And do you know what the funniest thing was? When I first got them, it was remembering not to chuck these in the bin or down the toilet, and trying to remember that these are reusable. And so what I've done now is I've put a little wash bag on the back of my bathroom door. I use it, I put it into the dirty ones into the wash bag, and then when I wash my towels, I wash my cotton pads with my towels. So I'm not doing an extra wash or anything like that to clean these. They just go in with my existing clean for the towels. That is my first swap. That was an easy swap to do, providing you remember not to throw them away. My next swap, because I ran out of my normal ones and I thought now is the time to buy biodegradable ones, is the cotton buds. So these are organic bamboo cotton buds. So basically the stick part that the cotton bud is on is made of bamboo and not plastic. Why they still sell ones with plastic, I don't really know. I mean, we're realising this day and age that it's not good. So why don't they just make everybody do them with bamboo? I'm not quite sure on that one. But yeah, so I've switched out plastic ones for biodegradable bamboo cotton buds. Easy switch to do, and not too expensive. I think it's about £3 for 200, so it's not like it's outrageously expensive to do. I normally, in the shower, I've always used one of those big exfoliating body puff things. Now, I'm going to be totally honest, the swap that I bought, I don't actually like, but I think there is a better alternative. So I got this. I thought when I saw it on the website, it was a lot bigger than it was. It's made of coconut, this is. This is like using a Brillo pad on your skin. I don't recommend this particular one, but I am going to use it until it needs replacing. And I think I'll probably replace it with a loofah, because from being a kid, I remember having a loofah, and that was nowhere near like scratching yourself up like this is. So I don't recommend this particular one, but there are products out there that you can use instead of using the normal plasticky body puffs. So yeah, I'll get back to you on that one. This would be good for scrubbing tan off though, definitely, if you can handle it. I don't mind it on like my lower legs, and I don't mind it on the tops of my arms, but anywhere else this is a little bit too rough. But something that I've done for a long time, which exfoliates the body, is dry body brushing. So, you know, you can get them in various different forms, but before you jump in the shower, just go along and brush upwards towards the heart, gets the circulation going, exfoliates the body, and it's eco-friendly and not wasteful, because you don't need to buy body exfoliators. There you go. Now, one of my best swaps. Well, no, actually, we'll go on to this one first. I'm going to save my favourite swap for the end. But another thing that I've swapped out, that I swapped out ages ago, but I've just bought a new one, is I am stopping using shower gels and I am now using soaps. I do still have some of my Molten Brown shower gel left, but I just use that on special occasions. But day to day, I'm using soap, and I find soap lasts for absolutely blooming ages, so much longer than shower gel does anyway. So I mean, you can swap out for a regular, you know, Dove soap, whatever, because the packaging's usually much better. I've actually gone for a Happy Holistics one this time. The current one that I'm using is what is it called? Moroccan Oil. I'm using a Moroccan Oil soap at the minute, which has lasted me for absolutely ages. But this one I've got now is a Happy Holistics one. Even the packaging, it's like in a muslin, and this smells incredible. It's lime, basil and mint. But yeah, they last for ages. There's obviously not the plastic packaging that comes with soaps. So that's a really good way of swapping out from shower gels and using the bottles of shower gels to using soaps. Also, I've been experimenting a little bit with swapping out my normal mouthwash, and I thought what I liked about this is because I do normally travel quite a lot, and mouthwash is a pain in the bum to travel with, and I got these mouthwash tablets, and they don't sting the mouth like a normal mouthwash does. They're not as potent with the mintiness as mouthwash is, but it does actually leave your mouth feeling really fresh and clean. I was really surprised with these. I mean, they smell, I got spearmint ones. They do smell minty, but they're not like, it's not a strong mint. So if you don't like the feeling of like a really strong mouthwash, but you want that nice clean, fresh feeling that you get with using a mouthwash, these are a really nice alternative. And how travel friendly is that? I mean, you don't even need to take this with you. You could just decant however many you needed for however long you were traveling for. Obviously, it's in a glass bottle as well, so everything to do with this is recyclable too, or you could repurpose this and use it for something else. But they're great. And what does it say about them as well? I mean, these ones are manufactured in England. The mouthwash tablets freshen your breath, helps you maintain good oral health, flavoured with organic spearmint oil, which is known for antibacterial properties and promoting clear breath. Now, my final switches, I've changed the way that I shave. So I now use a safety razor. Now, this is the best swap ever because it is so much cheaper and it is so much better than normal razors. So with this, you would unscrew the handle. I'm going to be really careful because I do have a blade in here at the minute. Unscrew the handle, and then you take, it's a bit wet because I've just used it. So this is your razor blade. You pop that onto this part here. You then pop your top part on so that your razor blade is inside here. And then this just screws on. And there you have your razor. Now, this was £21, I think. 21 or 24 pounds to buy the razor. Replacement blades is £2 for a pack of 10. That is incredible. But what's more incredible is the quality of shave that you get with this. So you need to be really careful with a safety razor. Normal razors, you normally find that you're really dragging it along the skin and pushing quite hard to get a close shave. This, you don't need to. You literally just use the weight of the razor and don't put any pressure on at all. Closest shave of my life with this, and cheap to replace. Now, I also bought a little tin. When I've used my blade, I'll pop it into this tin here that you can't get into. So imagine those tiny little blades, how long that's going to take to fill up, and then you would recycle this. So each blade, they come, let me just open one up, in a little paper thing like this. They're just brilliant, honestly. Best shave of my life. £2 for a packet of 10. Now, how much are normal replacement blades? Absolutely so expensive, covered in plastic, and you're not even getting anywhere near as good a shave. I would say, guys, if there's one thing that you're going to swap out, I would swap out your razor to a safety razor, because they're just brilliant. And the other thing that I've swapped out is shaving foam to a shaving soap bar. Oh, that's nice. This one is rosemary and lime. I've just picked out one of my new ones because I don't want to get the other one out of my shower. It's all wet. But these are so much better for the environment. Again, another soap bar. I usually get them in a different colour to my body soaps, just so I don't mix them up. And just lather that up into a nice lather and then shave with your safety razor. But guys, for now, they are my beauty swaps. I know that there's not loads there, it's quite light, but I'm dipping my toes into it and I'm learning as I go along. I'm just replacing as and when I need to, because I personally feel like if I just change everything and chuck away things that I haven't finished using, that is by far more wasteful than using up what I've got and then replacing with more sustainable products as I go along. So yeah, any recommendations, guys, I would love to have a conversation with you below. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this, give the video a thumbs up, share out with your friends if you feel like it's worth sharing, and I'll see you guys again really, really soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.